Hi, welcome to the Short Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable Open Spotlight and basic navigation voice control on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility and then Top. Then in the Accessibility, scroll down again and go to Physical and Motor section and then tap the Voice Control. Then in the Voice Control, go to this section and then tap the Customize Commands. Then after that, in the Customize Commands, tap the Basic Navigation. Then in the Basic Navigation, find and tap the Open Spotlight. Then in the Open Spotlight, as you can see that it is already enabled. But you have to turn on also the switch button located on the side of the confirmation required, just like this, until it becomes green to fully activate or fully enable the Open Spotlight. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button, just like this. And that's it, we have successfully enabled and disabled Open Spotlight and basic navigation voice control on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!